Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am sitting at my kitchen table with my foot propped up. I'm going to be down for a little while, so I'll have plenty of time to make a lot of videos. Before we get started on investing and trading and that sort of thing, and the basics of savings accounts and investing and why you want to do each one a little bit and why you want to do other things, I want to talk about what happened in the market yesterday, or started happening in the market yesterday, and carried over until today, and I believe is going to carry over for a little while. And it's kind of crazy. So if you look at the entire stock market, it's down, and for what we're going to do investing wise, that's good because we want to buy it at the lowest price possible. But what is actually happening is these big corporations are betting on businesses that are going out of business, like Macy's, GameStop, places like that. And what they're doing is they're betting on those businesses to go out of business. So they're buying like puts and short sales on these businesses, which is kind of complicated to explain, but just know that they make money if those stocks go down. Okay, big corporations are doing that, and they have billions and billions and billions of dollars invested in that. So a group of people just put on like a blog post and like on Reddit and things like that. They were like, hey, let's all get together and let's all buy these stocks that the big corporations, big hedge funds are betting against, and let's buy those with as much money as we can, and essentially we'll make the stock go way, way up, which is what happened to GameStop yesterday. I think it was up like something crazy, like 800% or something. And in turn, what that does, as they buy, it makes the hedge funds who bet on the corporation to go down, it makes them have to sell their position and buy back into that company, which makes the price go even higher. So basically, a group of people decided to take on Wall Street, and it's crazy. It's insane. It makes the rest of the market a little shaky, a little rocky, and it makes it come down. So like my ETFs yesterday, I lost money on my ETFs. But I didn't actually lose money because I never sold my ETFs. I still have my shares of ETFs. What I'm going to do today and tomorrow, and I'm just going to watch and see what happens with those ETFs, see what happens with the market, see what happens with these stocks that these people are making fluctuate. And as the ETFs that I invest in continue to go down, I'm going to continue buying shares of them. They're going to come back. They're going to go back up. You want to buy at the lowest price. I see this as the perfect opportunity to buy a great ETF or a great stock at a really low price. People are nervous. They're getting out of the stock market. They're like, oh no, they're going to mess up all these things. And they're really not. They're not messing it up at all. What they're doing is they're dropping the stock market where we can get in at a better price. So it's actually a great thing for us in the long run. So just be aware of what's going on. I want you to kind of understand what's going on. I don't want you to be scared of the stock market just because everybody's like, oh no, get out, get out, get out. It's actually dropping, so you have a better buying point. So just know what's going on, understand what's going on. A lot of people are making tons of money off of these stocks that they're fluctuating. Which is a really cool thing, and I might actually try to dive in there and get a little bit of that myself today and just see what happens with a little bit of money. But as far as what we want to do, investing wise, this is like the prime opportunity to keep watching it and honestly hope that it drops more. The lower it drops, the better price you get, the more shares you can buy. So just know what's going on. Don't freak out. Know that this is ultimately a good thing for the way that we invest. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna have some more videos coming. Put your comments down there. If this doesn't make sense, I'll expand on it even more. I appreciate everybody. Have an awesome day.